Namaste phlebotomists, I am Shahnaz, your phlebotomy manager. Today we are going to discuss the information about the new blood collection needles. As you are aware, there is a minor difference between previous needle and new needles. Let us understand the difference and uses of the needle in details. The gauge of the previous needle was 22. The gauge of new needle is 21. The needle is recommended by the WHO. Because the flow of the blood is faster, there will be no underfilling non-compliance. When you look physically, there is no major changes in the needle, except the bevel is slightly bigger. Please remember three important things: the method, the depth, the angle remain the same as regular practice. Please note, avoid pricking deeper than required. Since the gauge of needle is bigger than previous needle, there is no connection with excess bleeding. After removing the needle, tell the patient to hold for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the clotting. In case after pricking you don't find blood flow, follow these instructions. Number 1. Do slightly adjustment of the needle. Number 2. Don't probe multiple times. Number 3. Remove the needle, secure the puncture site. Number 4. Try on other side, other hand, or take help of seniors. Request: do not try multiple times. Try to take in single prick. In this part, let us understand the sample collection procedure with new needle. The first step of sample collection procedure to greet the customer and verify the bill.
Sir, my name is Balaji Naidu Balraman.
Yes.
Age 42, sir.
Yes.
My phone number 9849600742, sir.
Yes.
Test TSH, sir.
Yes.
Please remember to verify the doctor prescription along the bill. Enter in the log, take barcode print, paste to correct Vacutainer as per the request. Next step, application of the tourniquet. Make sure you tie the tourniquet 4 inches above the antecubital fossa. Next step, selection of the vein. Selection of the vein is very important task. Feel the vein properly before pricking. Next step, cleaning the site. After selecting the correct vein, clean the site. Now prick the needle while pinching the skin down slowly. Remember, your Vacutainer mark is seen by you. Remove the needle. Keep the cotton on punctured side. Fold the hand. Hold the hand for 3 to 5 minutes. Check the puncture site for any bleeding. If there is no bleeding, secure the puncture site. Apply the bandage. In case if you find any bleeding, tell the customer to hold the puncture site till the bleeding stops. In case further clarification, please reach out to your branch manager or phlebotomy manager. Thank you very much and all the best.